in this quick tutorial I will show you how to recover inventory after dying in Subnautica 2. Well, unfortunately the game doesn't mark your death location, the location where you died, so to recover items in Subnautica 2 you will have to approximate where you died and go there from memories, because we don't have a beacon or a waypoint, something like that, to mark our death location. So what I did here basically, I went to where I remembered I died and I tried to search for my items, and the way I died was I explored the cave down there and I forgot to look at my oxygen level, and guess what, I died like 3 or 4 meters under the surface. And yeah, it's very embarrassing, but it's the way I died. And then all of a sudden I saw something glowing in the distance, so I thought here must be my items, and I was right about it, because here I found my items. And from what I noticed, in the dark your black box will slightly glow in the darkness, okay, so this will help. And also what I noticed, when you die you don't lose all your items, and that's because when you die the game keeps the items that were secured. I mean, the last time when you enter a safe location like a life pod or a base, or you saved basically, so the game will remember those items, and when you die you lose only the items which you gathered after that period of time. Okay, so I hope this information helped you out to recover your lost items in Subnautica 2. Leave your thoughts down in the comments about this early access game, and I hope this video helped you out.